What is your name, sir?
Lucas.
Lucas. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's your name?
Me, sir, I'm Fred. Fred Garsula. This is my
Sa
vlog.
200 metro,
YouTube channel.
panatiliin kaliwa ang fork sa Padre Burgos Avenue.
I'm working a taxi 10 years.
Oh, here in Manila.
Yes, Manila. In Manila.
You have like
I'm working.
you have seen probably some
All of the Manila. I'm ano.
I think
Sa 70 metro, manatili sa kaliwa sa sanga.
Manila, but I don't like traveling. Or
Traveling.
even, it's such a waste of time. Always
Yes.
like from going to place, this is perfect. I don't enjoy it.
Magpatuloy ng 400 metro. Pagkatapos ay
The problem of Manila,
panatiliin
it's so
kanan
very
ng
hard
fork sa
traffic.
Padre Burgos Avenue.
Everyday traffic.
Yeah, you cannot